Okay. This is making me super aware of what I sound like when I talk to people, and I think I'm just never gonna speak again. Anyways, hope everyone had a great holiday weekend. Yesterday I got to shoot with my model friend Kacee. She had this really cool idea and we went to Trader Joe's, got some flowers, brought it to life. And we also got a pleasant surprise of some horses that were in the field we shot in. The picture just turned out better than I could have ever imagined. The point of this is to kind of give you guys an idea of what's going through my head when I'm posing my models, just seeing some behind the scenes and then the actual final product photo right after. Murph is gonna make an appearance in all of these videos. Say hi. So I'm just gonna walk through all of this footage with you guys, tell you what's going on in my head, show you the final product, and yeah, that's gonna be what today's video is all about. Super excited to share with you guys, and here we go. I've done so many DIY photo shoots with Trader Joe's flowers. If you ever need flowers and you don't want to pay for a florist or it's last minute or something, Trader Joe's, they got you. We forgot clippers, so we'll be using medical scissors today for the bouquet. So for this first set of photos, we had the horses show up randomly. They were not there when we got there. We were super excited that they walked over the ridge, and Kacee and I ran out there to make sure we got them in the shot.
Let's go, let's go.
I just had her stand with the horses and the mountain in the background, and we just kind of played naturally with whatever the horses decided they wanted to do. Oh, he wants you to pet him. So luckily the skirt had incredible movement. I love having movement in my photos. I love fabrics. That's why I always tell my couples to wear long dresses or long skirts for at least one of their outfits during their engagement photos. I just think adding that movement to a photo can totally change it. So these turned out really cool. If you know me, you know that I have a soft spot for black and white photos, especially when it's a close-up kind of detail shot. And so you'll see at the end of these, I get some close-ups of the flowers in her hands, and I thought those looked incredible as black and white. Kacee had the really cool idea of throwing both sides of her skirt up. It kind of made it look like there was a gust of wind, and it turned out really cool. These might be my favorite photos of the whole shoot. And then afterwards, we kind of had her swaying the skirt side to side, once again giving that really cool movement of the fabric that I love. Sitting down photos can be really great if you're kind of above the subject shooting down. That can be a really flattering angle for people. These next two pieces, a brand sent to Kacee, and so we had to capture a few images of those. We took just a certain color of the flowers that we had, bunched them together and used them. I think it was really cool. It was kind of prairie girl vibes. I love blurred motion in photos, especially after golden hour when you kind of have that blue hour setting in. You keep a pretty slow shutter speed and have the models twirl and spin and move their dress. It looks really in the moment, really natural. that's gonna wrap up this video. I hope that you learned something or found it helpful or at least fun to watch. I'm always here to answer your questions about this shoot, about my gear. I did this shoot with my Canon 5D Mark IV. The whole entire thing was done with my Sigma art lens, the 50mm 1.4. This lens, along with all my other equipment, is actually in my kit. The link is in the description. It'll take you right to the Amazon page for the item and you can get one for yourself. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see more from me, and don't forget to drop your ideas in the comments. I need your help. I don't know how to end these. I don't know how to start them or end them. No one just says bye. It's either catch you later, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.